This guide will help you understand how to increase audio desync in Roblox, allowing for a more customized gaming experience. Follow these steps to achieve your desired audio settings. Step 1. Access Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio on your computer. This is where you can create and edit your games, including adjusting audio settings. Step 2. Open your game project. Select the game project you want to work on. If you don't have a project, you can create a new one to experiment with audio settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Explorer panel. In Roblox Studio, locate the Explorer panel. If it is not visible, you can enable it by clicking on the View tab and selecting Explorer. Step 4. Locate the audio object. Find the audio object you want to adjust within the Explorer panel. This could be a sound effect or background music that you have already added to your game. Step 5. Adjust the playback settings. Select the audio object and look for the Properties panel. Here, you can modify settings such as playback speed or volume to create the desired level of desync. Experiment with these settings to see how they affect the audio in your game. By following these steps, you can effectively increase audio desync in your Roblox game. Enjoy creating a unique audio experience for your players.